The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We can also serve you completely virtually. Please enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to discuss whether it is better to file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy in Wisconsin or Chapter 13 bankruptcy in Wisconsin. A Chapter 13 is better to a Chapter 7 in a number of scenarios. If you are behind on your mortgage or business payments and wish to keep your property, whether in Wisconsin or another state, at the end of the bankruptcy procedure, you must file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy permits you to make up missed payments over time while also restoring your original mortgage agreement. A Chapter 13 petition may be a better alternative if you have valuable property that is not covered by your Wisconsin bankruptcy exemptions and that you want to maintain. People also declare Chapter 13 bankruptcy because they earn too much money to qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or have debts that are not dischargeable in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The following are some of the benefits of filing a Wisconsin Chapter 7 bankruptcy. You will have a whole new start. The only debts you will have after the bankruptcy is for secured assets for which you chose to sign a reaffirmation agreement. On the date of filing, you are protected from creditors' collection activities and wage garnishment. Wages and property acquired after the bankruptcy filing date, excluding inheritances, are yours, not the creditors or the bankruptcy courts. There is no requirement for a certain level of debt. In most cases, your case will be completed and you will be released in 3 to 6 months. Benefits of a Wisconsin Chapter 13 repayment plan include: you can keep all of your property, exempt and non-exempt, if you wish and can afford the payment plan. While debts are not eliminated like they are in Chapter 7 bankruptcy, they can be lowered under a Chapter 13 repayment plan. You're protected right away from creditor collection tactics and wage garnishment. There are other debts that are considered dischargeable, including debt you incurred on the basis of fraud and credit card charges for luxury items immediately prior to filing. Any co-signers are protected from the creditor's efforts if the Chapter 13 plan provides for full payment. As long as you follow the terms of the plan, you are protected from your lender foreclosing on your house. You have extra time to pay off debts that neither chapter can erase, like taxes or back child support. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy can be filed at any time. You can file many times. You can divide your creditors into classes, with various classes receiving various payment percentages. This allows you to consider obligations incurred with a co-debtor differently than debts incurred alone by yourself. Thanks for watching, and to learn more, check out our article linked below. And be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hi again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please don't hesitate to reach out to schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and can be conducted remotely if you'd like. You can email us, book online, or call us at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We have many locations for your convenience, and we serve all of Wisconsin. Thanks again for watching.